Good day. Well, I lied. I only got 4 pans. Don't quite know what they are. This one might be a Griswold. That one, I think, is a 3-notch Lodge. Oops. This one here is just a small, probably Chinese Taiwan. And that one is a round griddle gate mark, I think. I gotta get all this crud off before I can really know. Alright. Okay, these are in the oven here. We'll let them go for an hour. A couple of them. Surprising. 2 Chinese, 2 American. Well, I think the gate mark's American anyways. But I got a theory on that gate mark. Okay, see you when they're done. Okay, it's the next day. Got these pans out of the oven. Cooking Sunday morning breakfast in my Victoria. Here's the first pan, small one. It's says right on the handle there, China 01. Turned out nice. Looked like somebody had scrubbed it with a grinder. I don't know if that'd be factory or what. Not too bad. Whoa, sorry. Here's the other one that I thought was maybe a Griswold because of the handle. But it is a 9-inch skillet made in Taiwan. Fancy little flower. I think that says TYMO. Couldn't tell you. It's not a bad pan. Looks alright. Smooth. And here, yeah, my seasoning separated. But still a nice pan. I was right. 3-notch Lodge, I guess, whichever way you want to look at it. 8V. 1, 2, 3. But this one here, I don't know if you can see it, cracked. You can see right there. It sucks when you get these pans that are caked all to snot. Can't see the cracks until they're clean. But oh well, it'll be a nice showpiece. And then the last one. It's this little griddle. It's got some pitting. I think probably from factory. But gate marked number 8. I believe it's an 8. I had a theory about this. I'm probably wrong, but the only raised 8 I've seen before is on smart kettles. And I've seen YouTubers with Southern Mystery skillets that have an 8 here, but have the McClary and Finley handle. Probably Northern Mystery skillets. But I got something else I want to show you. Big, long griddle. Can't even get it all on the screen. Here is another raised 8. 4 slash marks on the handle. And double gate marked. So it's a pretty nice piece. I was glad when I found this. Only paid 20 bucks for it. Alright, thanks.